Hi dear HSE family, hearty welcome by HSE Insider operated by the HSE professional for the HSE community. We are available in most of the social media, request you to follow and share within your network for the benefit of other HSE friends.
HSE Safety, Supervisor, Officer, Advisor, Interview Questions and Answers, Part 1. HSE Insider channel wishes best of luck for your interview. These are the snaps of some of the questions and answers we will see in this video. Let's go one by one. What is MSDS? Material Safety Data Sheet is the document prepared by the manufacturer giving product name, producer's address, emergency contact phone number, information of ingredients, possible hazards, first aid measures, precautions to be taken for storage and handling, recommended PPEs, extinguishers, physical and chemical properties, etc. What is lifting plan? It is the document prepared for planning critical lift by calculating and considering all factors which is going to affect the lifting and thereby selecting the correct tools and cranes and ensure safe lifting procedure to be followed for a particular lift, giving details such as the size and weight of the object to be lifted, which crane is used for lifting, and what the safety factor is, where the crane is positioned, from where the load is lifted, where it is fitted, size and SWL of each lifting tool is used. JSA and load chart are attached with it. What are the requirements for a crane lifting? Crane position on firm and level ground with wood pads and steel plates. Outriggers are fully extended, tires are off ground, certified operators and riggers are available, safe load indicator is working and checklist is filled by competent person, crane has valid inspection sticker, insurance and third-party certificate. The load's weight is confirmed and is within the safe working limit of the crane. Safety devices are not bypassed, the swing arm radius barricaded and unauthorized persons are evacuated, the lifting tools free from defect pads are used to protect the slings from load and vice versa, wind speed is less than 32 km per hour, approved lifting plan is available for critical lifts. Permit for the activity obtained, crane operators and riggers' vision is not obstructed, the load is well balanced and taglines are used to control the weight etc. All slings must be inspected before every use and periodically it should be inspected thoroughly and shall be rejected, if found where of the 1/3 the original outside diameter of outside individual wires, severe corrosion, distortion, kinking, crushing, bird caging. Broken wires, a maximum of 10 randomly distributed broken wires in one row play or 5 broken wires in one strand in one row play. Heat damage, loss of internal lubricant by overheat exposure, pulled eye splices, any evidence that eye splices have been slipped, sleeves damaged, deformation of wires and strands or pushed out of their original position, and STHE sling should be clean from dirt and rust. Before use, the slings has to be color coded as per the month color code. This is the system followed to inspect and ensure the serviceability of tools, equipment periodically, normally it is monthly, like fire extinguishers, full body harness, lifting gears, electrical codes and cables, power tools, etc. These things are inspected by competent person and indicated by putting the color of particular month. The is decided in advance and it is being used by all in site. In which conditions a scaffold cannot be erected? Extreme weather, strong wind, rain, ice, ground not stable, safe clearance, minimum feet, can't be maintained with live wire, certified workers and supervisor are not available.
What is a lifeline? Lifeline is component that consists of a flexible line that connects to an anchorage at one end to hang vertically or that connects to anchorages at both ends to stretch horizontally and which serves as a method to connect other component of a personnel fall arrest system to the anchorage.
What is lockout/tagout system? For servicing or maintenance of live equipments or pipelines, where the unexpected energizing or release of energy could cause injury, lock and tag are placed on the isolating device to avoid uncontrolled operation and give details of the lockout schedule. How can we calculate the safe anchorage of a lifeline? When lifeline is used, they shall be fastened to fixed safe points of anchorage capable of supporting 2,300 kilograms. Shall be independent, and shall be protected from sharp edges and abrasion. Safe anchorage points may include structural members, minimum 4 structural member or 4 pipes, but do not include guardrails, vents, other small dia piping systems, electrical conduit, outrigger beams or counterweights. It shall be made from 10 mm dia wire ropes. Horizontal lifelines shall be installed at the highest feasible point, preferably above shoulder height. This lifelines shall be maintained with unloaded sag at the center no greater than 30 cm, 12 inch, for every 10 meters of lifeline length between attachments points. What are the classes of fire and what type of extinguishers are used for them? Class A, ordinary combustible materials. Example, paper, wood, cloth, plastic, rubber. Extinguisher, water, DCP, foam, CO2, halon. Class B, combustible liquids and greases. Example, gasoline, diesel, oil, grease, oil-based paint, tar. Extinguisher, CO2/foam/DCP. Class C, energized electrical equipment. Extinguisher, DCP, FM200, halon, carbon dioxide. Class D, combustible metals. Example, magnesium, potassium, zinc, calcium, sodium, titanium. Extinguisher, metal X-type, combustible metal type.
What is the emergency evacuation plan? It is the procedure to provide concise guidelines for evacuation in case of some emergencies and to identify the emergencies in advance. This also helps us to plan and to define roles and responsibilities of all building custodian, fire wardens and occupants.
What is hydro test? It is the test carried out for leak test for pipes, equipments etc. by filling water in these equipments and pipes with some pressure and its joints and connections are checked for any leak or breakage.
Support HSE Insider. We are available in most of the social media. Request you to follow and share within your network for the benefit of other HSE friends. We love to serve the HSE community. Please subscribe the channel HSE Insider and forward the videos to other HSE friends. Thanks for watching. Have a safe day.